look at this lady's hair. You know what she told me? She told me, it's not fair. And you have to understand what she's going through. But what if we took this, called a Micro Strand, an invisible, translucent sort of webbing, again called the Micro Strand, and what if we added one hair at a time onto this? That became this. Notice how you see right through this. You can't see it. And what if we blended her own hair through this, using all of her own hair? What would happen? Let's take a look.
Ah! I'm finding I look so free! I mean, can we look at this again? Oh, baby, I am feeling myself.
And let me know your opinion.